up, party people? It's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for this video today. We're going to be making strawberry cinnamon buns or rolls. I saw this on TikTok, so this is my first time cooking, baking, all that stuff, and so I'm going to show you guys. This is not a tutorial, but I will list the ingredients and whatnot if you guys want to join me or send me some pictures of how yours turned out as well. And I just think that it's like the perfect time because obviously February 14th is Valentine's Day, and that's like 2 weeks away now. And listen, I've been single for a while, but I am a lover girl at heart. I love the idea of love. Come on, y'all, I'm a Libra. Let's get it. Let's like we know what we're doing here. So with that being said, if you're new to my YouTube channel,
oh shit! Hello! It's so good to meet you!
Alright, without further ado, let's get into it!
Okay, this ring light is blinding me. I can't see, but this is what it looks like. So, I don't know. Okay, so we have an issue. A small delay. I just got back grocery shopping, so everything is still kind of cold, and of course you need like softened butter and stuff like that. Also, to able to make the dough, you need warm milk, and I have 0 milk. So I'm gonna go to the store real quick and get some milk, and come back. And we're back with snacks, because guess what? I lost my birth control package, so now I'm currently on my cycle. Anywho, back to the regular program. So actually, the recipe that we're going to follow is Danny Rose. She's like a famous Southern cook, baker, cooker, chef. She's an amazing person. And we're gonna follow her recipe for the cinnamon ones, but the fillings will be from TikTok. So yeah, I'll put her information link in description below if y'all want to follow her.
So first thing first, the ingredients call for making the dough is 1 cup of milk, of warm milk. So I'm just measuring it. Now the ingredient says warm milk, not hot milk, not room temperature milk, but warm to the touch milk, so the yeast can activate and the dough can rise. Look at me putting in my culinary skills from like 4 or 5 years ago. In high school, I used to take a culinary class. So like, I kind of already know what I'm doing.
You know, I'm a chef and pro. Yeah. Actually, fun fact, I was actually thinking about going to culinary school after high school, but my broke ass found out that it costs like $75 for to take the test or to take like an entry exam, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. So now here I am, 5 years later, a lot of yagging around. Still don't know what she's doing with her life, but I'll figure it out. All right, next up.
It's warm to the touch.
And I'm gonna have my activated yeast right here. It says that 1 packet is 2.5 or 2 1/4. I need scissors, huh? Oh, scissors. Oh shit, I need scissors. It says that this is 2/4 tablespoons, but the ingredient that I'm following for Danny Rose is 2.5. So hopefully this works. Oh, yeast. Right, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and now we start.
I didn't mess this up. The yeast is coming. It's foaming up just a little bit. I think I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes to see if it's gonna foam a little bit more, but then we're gonna continue. But I think that's the best that we're gonna get. So now it's time for 2 egg whites, or 2 things of eggs, 1/2 stick of butter, 1/3 cup of sugar, and yes, I have washed this out, and then 4 cups of all-purpose flour. But guess what? I was a little bit too aggressive and it broke. So I'm gonna be careful with this one. I don't know if I should keep it on its side. Yeah, it's broken completely. Damn it. Yeah. I'm gonna just get it from the side. Damn. Okay, I'm finally done. Now it's time to just mix. Look at all this flour. Oh! Dumb ass bitch. Oh my fucking god. Okay, so I am mixing, and I forgot the most important thing, the pink dye. at the store, they didn't necessarily have pink dye, but they did have red dye. So I'm just gonna use this in moderate. Y'all, let me tell you what happened. I was making the food, the cinnamon buns, and my camera said, blip, you have no more storage. So what did I have to do? Delete my whole life story. I have like 3,000. I got 3,000 videos and photos, and I had to delete like a good like 500. So hopefully now I have enough space to continue with this video, and I think that my dough is ready. Let's chocolate check. Okay, so it's been about an hour. All right. I'll be honest with y'all, I did not clear off the table within an hour of it sitting. Maybe we should go somewhere else. No, maybe I should just clean the fucking table. What? Okay, anywho, hopefully it has risen properly. Wow! Damn, I wish, see, my phone died, or the camera went off. This was like a small ball, and now look at it, it resurrected. You guys can see that much, but it's not completely pink. Some of it's kind of red, some of it's kind of still white. Listen, I probably should have used like pink gel. I probably should have put the dye in with the milk, but hey, we live and we learn. First time doing this. Yeah. So now I'm going to clean off the table, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do the strawberry filling. I should really invest in a camera, because why do I have to delete all of my apps again? I have to delete apps. I had to delete apps and pictures and videos again. So I don't know if this video is gonna even come out.
I can't believe I'm really doing this, y'all. I'm really doing it. I'm really like baking. I kid you not when I say I haven't baked. I kid you not when I say I haven't baked anything since high school. Like, I'm so proud of myself. And it's going semi-well. So, shout out to me, the fuck?
I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work. I want to thank me for just being me at all times.
Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh my god. Oh shit. Let's just blend it up. Let's blend it up. Damn. I just wanted to clean my hands first. Fuck. Okay, so I Googled it and it said a half of 1/2 cup is 3/4. So I'm gonna do 3/4 of the strawberry powder freeze dried and regular sugar, and 2 cups or 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and I'm gonna extract it. Hold on. Damn. Now if I knew how to do it, I would. I wish I could. Okay, anywho. Oh, and 2 butters. What? Whoa. X. If I knew how to do it, man, it would be over for y'all. Y'all be upset for real. My ring light literally just broke. Like, what the fuck? So I don't know how I'm gonna do this video. The reason why I'm using white sugar instead of brown sugar, simply because I don't want the filling to be brown. This is supposed to be like a Valentine's pink and red thing. That's the vibe. So that's why we're using white. But if you want to use brown sugar, go ahead. Would this turn turn into like maybe a dark brown or a brown filling? Probably. But yeah. Right?
I never heard nothing. To this very day, she
oh my goodness. Yes.
Not since, and that is when this is happening.
It's like gooey on the inside. Cause the outer edges is like kind of dry, so I thought it'd be dry the whole time. But it's really gooey on the inside.
Oh, this is good.
Thank you. What would you rate it 1 out of 10?
I would give it a 10.
A 10. Oh, thank you. It's really nice. Like, it's tart because of the strawberries, but it's not overpowering sugary, you know? Wow.
Even a little frosting is good too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I never had frosting with this like this before. But that's why it's the brown butter. It's the brown butter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It gives it that little salty flavor.
Mm-hmm. Right.